Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Grab app and selecting Pabili. This directs delivery partners to shop for you. Tap your pickup location, then confirm the delivery address and a reachable phone number so drivers can call. Once set, pick the store and add each item with exact quantities and any brand or size notes. This reduces substitutions. You do this now to avoid back and forth later and to ensure the partner knows what to buy before they head out. Next, you specify critical details so the shopping goes smoothly. In item notes include brand, size, acceptable alternatives, and a max price to limit unexpected costs. This helps partners choose quickly. Then choose payment, cash, card, or Grab Pay, and set a tip and preferred delivery window. Before confirming, review the order summary and add priority or allergy instructions. This prevents wrong items. Once done, you confirm so the partner can accept and start shopping right away. Finally, you track the partner in the app and be ready to message or call for quick clarifications. This speeds up shopping and avoids errors. When the order arrives, inspect items immediately. Check quantities and expiration dates and report missing or wrong items within the app's allowed timeframe so you can request a refund or reorder. If problems persist, use Grab support, attach photos and receipts, and explain why. This evidence speeds resolution and helps prevent similar issues next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.